Is that yours?
Yes, where did you find it?
Is this the right way?
No, but I'll show you.
How are you today?
I'm good, thanks. And you?
What are your plans tonight?
I'm meeting friends for dinner.
Where do you live now?
I live in downtown Chicago.
Do you like your job?
Yes, it's very interesting.
What do you do daily?
I work as a graphic designer.
Have you seen this movie?
Not yet. Is it good?
Yes, it's really entertaining.
Let's watch it together sometime.
What time is your meeting?
It's at 3 o'clock today.
Can you help me tomorrow?
Sure. What do you need?
Where is the nearest cafe?
There's one around the corner.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I love it every morning.
What did you eat today?
I had a sandwich for lunch.
How do you get to work?
I take the bus usually.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I have no plans.
Would you like to hang out?
That sounds great. What do you want?
Let's go hiking in the park.
Perfect. I'll bring some snacks.
Do you play any sports?
Yes, I play basketball weekly.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza the most.
Have you traveled abroad before?
Yes, I've been to Canada.
How was your trip there?
It was amazing and very fun.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially mystery novels.
What's your favorite book?
I love The Great Gatsby.
Do you listen to music often?
Yes, I listen every day.
What's your favorite band?
I like Imagine Dragons best.
Have you attended any concerts recently?
Yes, last month was awesome.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes, I enjoy cooking meals.
What's your signature dish?
I make great spaghetti bolognese.
Do you enjoy watching TV shows?
Yes, I watch them nightly.
What's your favorite show?
I love Stranger Things series.
Do you use social media often?
Yes, mostly on Instagram.
How many friends do you have online?
I have about 200 followers.
Do you like shopping online?
Yes, it's very convenient.
What's the last thing you bought?
I bought a new pair of shoes.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
I prefer summer more.
Why do you like summer?
Because of the warm weather.
Have you ever been camping?
Yes, last summer was fun.
Where did you go camping?
I went to Yellowstone National Park.
Did you enjoy the experience?
Yes, it was very relaxing.
Do you like to dance?
Sometimes, when the mood is right.
What's your favorite dance style?
I enjoy hip-hop dancing.
Have you taken any dance classes?
Yes, last year I did.
Do you like art museums?
Yes, I visit them often.
What's your favorite artwork?
I love Van Gogh's Starry Night.
Do you speak any other languages?
Yes, I speak a bit of Spanish.
How did you learn Spanish?
Through classes and practicing daily.
Do you enjoy learning languages?
Yes, it's very rewarding.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Thanksgiving the most.
Why do you like Thanksgiving?
Because of family and good food.
Do you celebrate Halloween?
Yes, I love dressing up.
What's your favorite costume?
I like superhero costumes best.
Have you ever volunteered before?
Yes, I help at shelters.
That's very kind of you.
Thanks, it's rewarding work.
Do you enjoy gardening?
Sometimes, I grow some herbs.
What's your favorite plant?
I like basil the most.
Do you watch the news daily?
Yes, to stay informed.
What's the latest news topic?
It's about the upcoming elections.
Are you interested in politics?
Yes, I follow it closely.
Do you vote in elections?
Yes, I always vote.
What's your favorite restaurant nearby?
I love the Italian place downtown.
Have you tried their new menu?
Yes, it's delicious and fresh.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, I enjoy spicy dishes.
What's the spiciest thing you've eaten?
I tried ghost pepper wings once.
Were they very hot?
Yes, extremely fiery taste.
Do you enjoy baking desserts?
Occasionally, I bake cookies.
What's your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate chip cookies.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee every morning.
How do you take your coffee?
With milk and a little sugar.
Do you like smoothies?
Yes, especially fruit smoothies.
What's your favorite smoothie flavor?
Strawberry banana is my favorite.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I work out daily.
What type of exercise do you do?
I run and lift weights.